Hello everyone, welcome back to our Rhino tutorial. Today we can talk about how to model this project from Vlasov inside of Rhino. And let's begin. First thing, I'm going to drag this photo into the Rhino environment, and then I'll go to front view. The next thing I'm going to do is I will draw a line anywhere, and I'll hold Shift, type in 12, hit enter, and I'll get this. So I'll use this as a reference curve to define the scale. I will type in scale, select this, and move it. So I'll make sure that the floor to ceiling height is roughly 12 feet. The next thing I'm going to do is I will draw a rectangle from here to here. Select it, and then I'll rotate it for 90 degrees. I'll move this back a little bit so it's not going to be on our way, and then I'll lock it. Select this curve, type in SET, stands for set point. Select the Z, make sure everything will be projected to the XY plane. And then I will go to here, typing F, stands for fillet. I'll select this corner, and this corner. 12 feet radius is good. The next thing I'm going to do is I will go to the front view. I will hold Alt, drag this up to somewhere here when the curvature starts to emerge. And then I will type in loft, select the first curve, select the second curve, hit enter, and I'll get this one. Then I'll select this curve, go to the front view one more time. I will hold Alt, and I'll scale it, hold Shift. Select this curve, typing offset. 2 feet is good. I'll select all those curves, type in loft, hit enter, and I'll get this one. The next thing I'm going to do is I will type in blend surface. Select the first one from here, select the second one, make sure that they are all on the seam, hit enter, and then looks crazy. I'll make sure that the first one is curvature, the second one is tangency, and now I'll start to play with this. Now you can see that this part is just too bulky. What I can do is I'll move it up a little bit. Same here. Try to make them have the same height. Check this perspective. I'll go to front view. This looks good. And then I'll just hit enter. I'll join everything together. And let's check the zebra. You can see that the continuity in between is great from here to here. And when you zoom in here, they are also good across the surface. So this is good. The next thing I'm going to do is I'll select this curve, Control C, Control V. Let me go to the front view. Maybe move it up here. Select all those curves, type in loft, hit OK. I'll select this curve, type in planar surface, and hit OK. Then I will select this thing, join them all together, and we'll get this part. I'll select this curve one more time, and I will offset it, go to the front view, maybe a foot, just type in O, hit enter, change it to 1 feet, hit enter, I'll get this. Go to the front view, I'll extrude it until here, use this as a reference. I'll select this curve one more time, Control C, Control V, move it up for 12 feet. Then I will type in planar surface one more time, type in taper from here to here. It says 1.86 right here. Okay, so I'll just type in 1.86, hit enter. The last thing is this interior curtain wall. It's roughly easy. Again, what I will do is just I will select this curve. I'll go to the front view. I'll scale it. Perfect. But of course, hold shift when you drag it around. And then Control C, Control V, set PT. Select this, put it here, select both of those curves, hit loft, then hit OK. Perfect. That's it. That's how we're going to model this project. Thank you so much for your attention, and I'm looking forward to see you in our next tutorial.